Ever been deep on a trail, rain rolling in, daylight fading fast, and suddenly you realize your knife isn't just a tool, it's your backup plan? In moments like that, the right blade means warmth, shelter, and control. The wrong one means frustration, or worse. Today on Trek Gear, we're breaking down 20 of the best survival knives you can buy on Amazon right now. These picks cover everything from hard-use bushcraft to compact EDC survival carry. No fluff, no hype, just real-world performance. If you appreciate honest gear talk and field-ready tools, hit subscribe and let's get started. Smith & Wesson SWHRT 9B. This blade leans heavily into tactical survival territory. The full tang stainless steel construction gives it a reassuring weight, especially when batoning kindling or breaking down thicker branches. The rubberized handle locks into your grip, even when your hands are wet or cold, something that matters more than specs ever will. Where this knife shines is confidence. It's not trying to be delicate or fancy. It's built for rough camp chores, emergency cutting, and defensive readiness. The included sheath keeps it accessible, making it a solid option for bug-out kits, truck storage, or weekend survival setups. If you want a knife that feels ready for abuse right out of the box, this one delivers that rugged energy. Morakniv Companion Spark. This knife is a favorite among minimalists for a reason. The Scandi grind blade offers incredible control for carving, food prep, and fire-starting tasks. And with the built-in ferro rod, you're not just carrying a knife, you're carrying a fire solution. The lightweight design makes it easy to forget it's on your belt until you need it. The textured handle provides excellent grip, even in freezing or muddy conditions. This isn't a brute force blade, it's a smart survival companion designed for efficiency and reliability. If you prioritize lightweight carry, bushcraft skills, and dependable performance, the Companion Spark punches far above its price. Smith & Wesson Border Guard Folding Knife. This is a compact, everyday ready folding knife that blends tactical styling with real-world practicality. The serrated edge bites aggressively into rope, webbing, and tough materials, making it useful for quick emergency cuts or urban survival scenarios. The aluminum handle keeps things lightweight, while the assisted opening ensures fast deployment when seconds count. It's not designed for heavy batoning or wood processing, but that's not its role. This knife excels as a backup blade, glove box tool, or daily carry option for those who want preparedness without bulk. CRKT Minimalist Bowie. This knife is all about efficiency and accessibility. Designed for neck carry, the Minimalist Bowie stays close to your body and deploys instantly. The compact Bowie-style blade excels at precise slicing, cord cutting, and emergency utility work where control matters more than brute force. The ergonomic handle may look small, but it locks into your fingers surprisingly well, giving you confidence during quick, controlled cuts. This is the kind of knife you forget you're wearing until it suddenly becomes the most useful tool you have. Ideal as a backup survival blade, lightweight hiking companion, or everyday emergency knife. LionSTEEL M4 Fixed Blade. This knife blends European craftsmanship with hard use capability. The M4 feels solid the moment you grip it. Its balanced design allows smooth transitions between slicing, carving, and controlled chopping. Whether you're processing food, shaping wood, or handling camp tasks, it responds with precision instead of resistance. The contoured handle provides comfort during extended use, reducing fatigue on long days outdoors. This isn't a flashy blade, it's a disciplined performer, meant for people who expect consistency and durability. If you want a survival knife that feels refined yet uncompromising, the M4 fits that role perfectly. Kizer Smolt Fixed Blade Knife. The Smolt strikes a balance between compact size and serious capability. It feels agile in the hand, making it excellent for detailed tasks like carving tent stakes, food prep, or trimming cordage. At the same time, the blade has enough backbone to handle tougher cutting when needed. The micarta handle offers a secure, comfortable grip even during extended use, while the overall profile keeps it easy to carry on a belt or pack. This is a great option for hikers or campers who want a do-it-all fixed blade without committing to a large, heavy knife. CIVIVI Fixed Blade Elementum. The Elementum fixed blade carries over the clean lines and usability that made the folding version popular. The result is a knife that feels natural, balanced, and predictable qualities that matter when you're working close to your hands. It excels at slicing, light carving, and camp food prep, making it a strong choice for controlled survival tasks. The handle shape reduces fatigue, while the blade geometry offers smooth cuts without snagging or tearing material. If you want a knife that feels polished yet dependable, the Elementum fits nicely into a modern outdoor kit. Morakniv Pathfinder Bushcraft Knife. The Pathfinder is built for serious bushcraft and extended outdoor use. Its longer carbon steel blade makes processing wood, clearing brush, and splitting kindling far more efficient than smaller knives. Carbon steel sharpens easily in the field, which is crucial when you're days away from civilization. The robust handle provides strong leverage, giving you confidence during heavy-duty tasks like shelter building. This is not a minimalist blade, it's a primary survival tool, designed for people who expect their knife to do real work every day. CIVIVI Tamashii Fixed Blade Knife. The Tamashii blends traditional inspiration with modern execution. Its blade profile allows smooth slicing, controlled piercing, and dependable cutting, whether you're prepping food or working through fibrous materials. The handle is shaped for comfort and balance, making long tasks less tiring. This knife feels composed in the hand, giving you confidence when precision matters. It's a strong choice for campers and survivalists who value clean performance over bulk without sacrificing durability. CIVIVI EDC Fixed Blade Knife. Designed for constant carry, this knife focuses on accessibility and control. Its compact size makes it easy to wear on a belt or around the neck, while still offering enough blade to handle daily utility tasks. From cutting rope and packaging to quick outdoor chores, it delivers reliable performance without demanding attention. This is the type of blade you carry because it fits seamlessly into your routine, and when emergencies arise, it's already where you need it. Cold Steel Mini Tack Bowie. Small but aggressive, the Mini Tack Bowie is built for fast deployment and decisive cuts. The Bowie-style blade offers excellent penetration and slicing power for its size, making it effective in both outdoor and defensive scenarios. The secure grip and rugged construction give it surprising strength for such a compact knife. Whether carried as a backup survival blade or an emergency option on your gear rig, this knife delivers confidence well beyond its footprint. CIVIVI Gramis Mini Fixed Blade. The Gramis Mini is all about precision and convenience. Its compact profile makes it ideal for neck carry or discreet belt carry, while still offering enough edge for real utility work. This knife excels at detail-oriented tasks, opening cordage, trimming materials, or handling quick campsite jobs. The handle provides solid control despite its size, making it a dependable choice when space and weight are critical. A smart option for ultralight hikers or anyone who wants a reliable secondary blade. Handmade WeG 10 steel core Damascus folding knife. This knife brings craftsmanship into the survival conversation. The WeG 10 steel core delivers excellent edge retention, while the Damascus cladding adds both strength and visual character. Beyond looks, this knife is practical. It handles slicing, food prep, and everyday tasks with ease. The folding design makes it pocket-friendly, while the smooth action encourages regular use. It's ideal for those who want a blade that feels special, yet still performs when the situation demands it. Stainless steel folding knife. Simple, durable, and easy to maintain, this knife focuses on reliable daily utility. The stainless steel blade resists corrosion and handles common cutting tasks without fuss. This is the kind of knife you keep in your pocket, glove box, or day pack, always available, never complicated. While it's not meant for heavy survival tasks, it shines as a backup or urban EDC option when preparedness means consistency more than brute force. High quality, men's pocket knife. This knife is designed to feel familiar the moment you carry it. The balance is comfortable, the action is smooth, and the blade shape works well for general cutting, light outdoor tasks, and everyday utility. It's not about extremes, it's about reliability. Whether you're trimming rope, opening packaging, or handling small campsite chores, this knife performs without drama. A solid choice for anyone who wants a dependable pocket knife that fits seamlessly into daily life while still offering preparedness value. Damascus steel, folding knife hand-forged. The hand-forged Damascus steel isn't just visually striking, it offers excellent cutting performance and toughness when properly heat-treated. The folding design keeps it practical for everyday carry, while the blade geometry supports slicing and controlled cuts. This is a knife for users who appreciate the story behind their tools, yet still expect real-world performance. Ideal for light outdoor use, food prep, and daily tasks where sharpness and control matter. Premium outdoor camping, tactical pocket knife. This knife leans into tactical practicality while remaining versatile enough for camping and travel. The blade profile supports quick, efficient cuts, and the handle design provides confident grip during use. It's well suited for campers, hikers, and anyone who wants a pocket knife that feels ready for more than just casual tasks. Whether you're cutting cordage, handling camp food, or managing quick repairs, this knife adds a layer of preparedness without extra weight. Stainless steel folding knife. This knife keeps things straightforward. The stainless steel blade resists corrosion and requires minimal maintenance, making it a practical choice for everyday carry or vehicle storage. It's built for consistency, opening packages, cutting cordage, handling small tasks wherever you are. While it's not meant for heavy survival work, it plays an important role as a dependable secondary tool that's always ready when you need it. That wraps up 20 of the best survival knives available right now, covering fixed blades, folders, bushcraft tools, and everyday carry essentials. Each knife on this list earns its place by offering reliability, usability, and real-world value. If you found a favorite, or you're already carrying one of these, drop it in the comments. And for more survival gear breakdowns, field-ready lists, and honest reviews, make sure you're subscribed to Trek Gear.